How to clone a website in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is a WordPress, it is a powerful and widely used content management system that enables users to create and manage websites with ease, in which it offers a highly customizable experience through a thousand of themes and plugins, allowing users to add features and design elements without needing to code. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to wordpress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. Then you will be able to be directed on this dashboard, and it will show you in the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. And in cloning a website in WordPress, we need to install a plugins in here, but you should have an upgrade account to do so. And now visiting our website to see what it basically looks like at the moment. And as you can see, it is completely blank with just navigation menu on the top of it. But to show you how to start cloning it, we're going to install a plugins. So all you need to do is simply click the plugins button on the left side panel. And from here, kindly proceed by clicking add new plugin. However, make sure to also has a WordPress account premium in order to activate and install a plugins in here. And now to proceed, just search to the search bar WPVivid, and upon clicking enter, it will show you the result in here. And in all of those results in here, all you need to do is to simply choose the first one in here, which is the first link that come up, or the first application, which is this one, with more than 700,000 plus active installation. So just click install now button to proceed. Then just click the activate button in here after you're now done installing it. So just simply click this one, and after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load until it has been fully activated. And it will show you in here that you're now currently under WPVivid backup plugin, in which basically this plugin will help us to clone a website by simply creating a backup in here. And as you can see, we're currently under the section of backup and restore section in here. But you could also navigate some other options that you can navigate on the top panel. And we're going to backup this manually. And below here, just simply choose the local storage directory. I'm going to choose here database plus files and also save backup to local, which is already the default option in here selected. And if you're now done, just click the backup now button in here to proceed. And now it will show you that your website is currently creating a backup in here. So all you need to do is wait for it to load in here. But while we're waiting for this to be successful, we can simply navigate some other section on the top panel with here also the schedule option, or we can schedule when to back up a specific plugins in here by clicking this one. From here, you can enable the backup schedule with an option to choose either toolbars, daily, weekly, monthly, and many more. And you could also navigate this auto migration, where you can simply choose the content you want to transfer, or even this remote storage, the settings, debug, logs, key, premium, and main WP in here. And all of this section has corresponding functionality depending on the purpose that you want or the feature you want to attain in here. Now, as you can see below, under backup and restore in here, you could also choose which kind of databases you want to transfer. And now, as you can see, we've now successfully created the backup. And below, if you scroll down under this backup section, it will show you in here the file of your website and databases, where you can simply click the download button to download all of the files in here. And from here on this download section, just click this download button to proceed. And as you can see, it will automatically be downloaded. So all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully downloaded. And once it has been fully downloaded, all we need to do is switch to our WordPress website or change our account of our WordPress to start cloning it from this website to another website in here. And again, just do the same process of simply installing the plugins. So just simply click the plugins button on the left side panel in here and click add new plugins. And by doing so, just simply go to the search bar and kindly search or look for specific plugins which is called or named WPVivid. And after searching on it once again, just simply click the install button and start activating it, which is what we did earlier in here. So as you can see, after it has been activated, you'll be able to be directed on the page of WPVivid where you can start uploading the file. So to do that, just simply click the install plugins in here to look for WPVivid homepage or interface. By clicking on it, all you need to do from here is to simply find the WPVivid in here and click the settings option. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page. And from here, let's say it is already the other website we want to transfer or to clone our website in here. So to do that, just select the upload section and click select files in here and simply select the files that we just downloaded of our backup of our website databases. Let's say we've not successfully uploaded, you will be able to be directed or go back to this backup section where we can click the restore button in here instead of download, in which by clicking on it, you should be able to start restoring or start cloning the website that we just start to clone in here. So by clicking on it, you can click the restore button once again on this page, then click the OK button on the top of it. Now after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully restored or clone the website of your WordPress to another in here. And it will show you that all of this input, the context it contains, the layout, the design, and many more has been cloned or copied in here. So basically, cloning a website in WordPress is important for several reasons, especially in a website development, maintenance, and security, in which it allows users to create an exact copy of website, which is useful for testing updates, plugins, themes, or custom code in a safe environment without affecting the live site. But overall, that is just basically how to clone a website in WordPress.